Welcome to this Excel tutorial on the ODDLYIELD function. This financial function calculates the yield of a security that has an odd or irregular last coupon period. It is the counterpart to ODDLYIELD price and is used when the final payment period differs from the standard schedule. The syntax for ODDLYIELD is equals ODDLYIELD, open parenthesis, settlement, maturity, last interest, rate, price, redemption, frequency, and an optional basis argument. The dates must satisfy this order: maturity greater than settlement, greater than last interest. ODDLYIELD takes 8 arguments. Settlement is the trade date. Maturity is the expiration date. Last interest is the last coupon date before maturity. Rate is the coupon interest rate. Price is the current price of the security. Redemption is the value per $100 face value at maturity. Frequency is the number of coupon payments per year, 1, 2, or 4. Basis is an optional day count convention ranging from 0 to 4. Let's walk through an example. We have a bond with settlement date April 20th, 2008, maturity date June 15th, 2008, and last interest date December 24th, 2007. The coupon rate is 3.75% and the price is $990. With redemption at 1,000, semi-annual frequency, and basis 0, we enter the ODDLYIELD formula referencing these cell values. The function returns 6.98%. This is the annual yield for this bond with an irregular last coupon period. The yield is significantly higher than the coupon rate of 3.75% because the bond is priced at a discount, with a price of $990 against a $1,000 redemption value. ODDLYIELD can return 2 types of errors. A value error occurs when any date argument is not a valid date. A num error occurs when the rate or price is negative, or when the dates do not follow the required ordering. Maturity must be greater than settlement, which must be greater than last interest. Here are 3 key points to remember. First, ODDLYIELD calculates the yield for bonds where the last coupon period is irregular. Second, note that in this example the redemption value is 1,000 and the price is $990, not per $100 face value. Third, related functions include ODL price for pricing odd last period bonds, and ODF price and ODDLYIELD for bonds with odd first periods. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.